What is the value of the expression 7 minus open parenthesis 7 times 7 close parenthesis plus 7 divided by 7? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This question is actually very easy, but it tricks almost everyone. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. In most cases, people start solving this question by going to the parentheses first, and they rewrite this expression as 7 minus 49 plus 7 divided by 7. In the next step, they go to 7 minus 49, which I have highlighted in yellow, and rewrite this expression as negative 42 plus 7 divided by 7. Then, in the following step, they evaluate negative 42 plus 7 and replace it with negative 35 divided by 7, which finally gives them the answer negative 5. And without any hesitation, they immediately say that option B is the correct answer to this question. But that's definitely wrong. Now let me show you the correct way to solve this expression. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We have to follow the order of operations I told you, step by step from top to bottom. So, we'll start by solving the expression inside the parentheses, because parentheses have the highest priority compared to the other operations. So instead of this expression, we can write 7 minus 49 plus 7 divided by 7. In the next step, we move on to the division, which I have highlighted in yellow, because division has higher priority than addition and subtraction. So, instead of this expression, we can write 7 minus 49 plus 1. Okay, it's very important to remember that addition and subtraction have the same level of priority. In this case, all we need to do is start from the left side of the equation and move up step by step toward the right. So, we subtract 49 from 7, which gives us negative 42 plus 1. And in the end, it equals negative 41. Therefore, option A is the correct answer to this question. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and leave a comment. And to see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.